Presenting the 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Power and reliability are a great combination. Find both here. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Memory settings are just one of the extras. It's important to be able to trust the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.